What's up, everyone? John Hartley here. First time in a while, but wanted to get directly into making this progress bar. I got tired of people saying, it's going to take 18 minutes in order to create a progress bar. Look, there's a progress bar right there. Quick, dirty, it's very easy to do. We're going to do that right now, okay? I'm going to turn this off, and I'll go back to the middle of my composition. Now I'm just going to add a layer, new solid. Don't care how you fill it here. We're going to let's just use a bright red. That way it's very noticeable, same size as the composition I already have. I'm going to say OK. And now I'm going to reduce the height. So I'll pull this down this way. Whee! And you know what? We're going to keep it nice and thick with two C's. That way we can see it pretty easily. Okay, so we've created this solid now. We can twirl it down, say transform. Scale is where you want to look right now. So they have this link on here. You want to take that off. Boom. There you go. And another thing to note is the anchor point. So currently it's anchored right in the center. What we're going to do is we're going to reduce the scale, and look how it squeezes in from the sides. We don't want that. We want it to extend from the left to the right. So we're going to change the anchor point to 0. There it is. And then now we will change the position to 0 as well on the left. Okay, so now we have a full width bar. Look at that. This is looking pretty swell. And now, really all you have to do is go back to the beginning of your composition, and you're going to set a scale keyframe here. You're going to set a scale keyframe at the end. And then you're going to go to the beginning, and you're going to set that 100 to a 0. Holy crap, look what we just did. There's a progress bar that goes all the way to the end of your video. That is it. That is it. So simple. So it didn't take 18 minutes. Like, ugh. I miss all of you that are watching these videos. You know me. I don't like to have too much fluff in these. Just get straight to the point. If you have additional questions as to how this is done, I mean, really, you can extend this, and that just shifted it. If you extend this out, I mean, it's as easy as taking this keyframe, and let's just hit S on the solid, and you extend it, hold shift, it'll just snap to the end here. So now the progress bar goes that entire way. Oh, it's incredible. How did we do this so fast? All right, so that is it. Thanks for watching. I don't know how many more of these I'll be able to do, but yeah, these have always been a lot of fun, so I appreciate you watching. And let me know what other tutorials you're sick of being way too long, and I'll see if I can replicate them in a shorter time span. All right, thanks. See you later.